On this video, I'm going to show you the differences between the big boy work light and the little one. Stay tuned for the whole video. Alright, so both of these lights have a magnetic base, as you can see. So it sticks to fences, metal beams, posts, as an example. Makes it easy for you to essentially hold it. Both of them also have a swivel mechanism. See that? It goes this low and it goes all the way back this way. Now the difference is in the LED. This one's got bigger LEDs, but there's only 9. This one's got smaller, and then there is 16. Now the question is, which one is brighter, right? Let's turn this one on. And I would say the little one is actually even more brighter. See that? Now this one's got the SOS though, and then it's got 1 and second mode. I like the second mode because it's less bright, and then it's got the SOS mode as well. It's kind of like a strobing effect. Both of these have also charging dots right here. This one's obviously fully charged. And this one has also an additional USB port, so you can plug in anything into this, and it's 10,000 milliamp. This one also has one on the back, right here, under the cover. Well, they both have weatherproof covers, it's just that one I lost. And this one is also USB-C charge, whereas the big difference is this one has its own AC adapter. So you have to plug it into the wall, and it's pumping out, I believe, 12 volts. So now let's go and see how bright this is in a dark space. As long as this cover is on, this entire thing is 100% waterproof. Like no exposed elements whatsoever. You can have this outside in winter the entire time. Now we're going to test the actual brightness to see how bright we are. And then of course the extra added police. At the end of the day, both of these are actually quite good. This one is obviously, I would say, almost 1/3 lighter than this one. This one does have a 10,000 milliamp battery. It is hardcore, really hardcore. You can drop this, nothing's gonna break. Just like this one, this is all tempered, so it's not going to break if you were to drop this accidentally. So in my opinion, I would say that the small one looks like it's brighter, but you're gonna get a lot more time with this big one. In any case, that's the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.